So this is gonna be my room tour, and I just wanted to show you guys my door. It says do not disturb. And then this is where all the fun stuff happens for me. And yeah, so I wanted to give you guys a little tour of where I sit, because usually you guys always see this layout, and this usually what you guys would normally see in my videos. And sorry if I'm like messing with the angle, I'm just trying to see if it looks like straight. So I don't want to show you the corner over here to my right, which is where my hand is. That's why you see that curtain. Backstory on that is I have those curtains because they don't match with any of my decor, but I have them because they are really blackout curtains. So if I'm filming at night or whenever I'm filming, obviously nobody can see because I would shut the door, and then with the windows it wouldn't, you know, show. So that's why I have that curtain. I know it doesn't go with like my decorations, but yeah, we just gotta cope with that until I find something. So when you close the door, I used to always have this set up in the back. You guys would see this door, and then this door would be opened so that my desk was over here to this side where I have this now. And so I was giving my back to this wall. That's why you guys would see double doors. And I would always get questioned where those doors would lead to. That one right there, which says follow your dreams, or no, follow your heart, that one is a closet. And the other door that you guys would see here was actually the door from the room, but I will leave it open because obviously I have kids and I need to be checking on them. So yeah, so now that I moved my setup, my vanity where I do my makeup is right here. So this is like my vanity. If you guys want to see a makeup collection, I do have a video on my channel, and I will put it on the cards right here. So this is the first thing that you guys do see when obviously you enter my room. And this is just a little chalkboard that I did myself, and excuse my drawing, but I have Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat. I just kind of lay out where I'm gonna post and when. Right now I don't have anything because I don't want to give any spoilers, but I do plan out my posts. So that's why like sometimes it is a little later in the week when you guys get to see like a certain picture or a certain look that I posted, and then you guys would see it on Instagram, but you won't see it in a video until later, like in a month, on any YouTube videos that I was filming that day. So kind of plan out there excuse me, what I'm gonna be posting on my socials. So that's what that board is for. Right here, as you guys can see, I have a little, I want to call it like an end table because it's not really like that big. It's just a little marble table that I have. And here is where I put my dirty brushes. So I have those jars. I think these, I got them at Marshall's if I'm not mistaken, and they are from Ray Dunn. So as you guys can see, it's from Ray Dunn. So yeah, this is where I store my makeup brushes, the ones that are dirty. So over here we have an acrylic, this one right here. And I think this one I got it at Ross if I'm not mistaken. And I kind of just basically store all my liquid lipsticks here. I used to have them over here in my like actual makeup storage drawers, but I didn't really see me reaching to them as much. That is why I moved them here closer to me. That way I have more options, and they are like stored by brands. So as you can see here, we have Jordana, some Kylie, some MAC in the back. I have some Anastasia here, and down here I have some MAC, and then some Wet n Wild. Over here to this side, I have all my dirty sponges. I know, kind of gross, but that's what I store there. And behind I just have my Cetaphil cleanser, sorry. And I have an outlet here, which is usually where I connect either my cell phone or my camera. And this is the desk where I usually sit down and do my makeup, film most of my videos. That's why you guys always see this angle. But I'm gonna be getting in my new ring lights, so hopefully I can start filming from other angles of the room so you guys won't get so bored with the same layout. Up at the top, I just have like a little hanger and I have all my chokers there. I have this little jar. It's also by Ray Dunn, and I have some lip glosses. And over here I have some of the Jeffree Star lip scrubs and some Shopkins that my daughter gave to me. So I just put them there. I have my Kylie lip kits up there and a little piggy bank. So yeah. And then here at the bottom where you see this little box, I have foundations in the middle, primers that I'm trying or using, and my clean go-to brushes. I have my glasses also. I have a pair of lashes and this rose gold beauty blender holder that my best friend gave to me. I also have all my skincare setting sprays, favorite MAC lipsticks, my deodorant, my body mist, and over here I have the Jeffree Star lip minis. Then I have these mink hair 3D lashes displayed there. Back of the lashes, I do have my Simple Human mirror. It is a motion mirror, but right now it's not in use, so I like to turn it off and around. And I always have a clip on it because when I'm filming, it usually gets hot here, so I like to have a clip close by so that I can, you know, put my hair up. And right here is the little control to turn on and off my lights. As you can see, that is what it looks like. So my drawers, I have some things there, and this is the chair where I usually sit. So that's like my main sitting station. Over here, like I said, this is just a closet, but I'm not gonna go into depth there because it has nothing to do with the room. And over on this side, I do have kind of like what I like to call my office station. You guys sometimes see this in videos, and I know what you guys are thinking, like it doesn't even match or anything. It doesn't, but because we actually were gonna get these tables painted silver, but I never got to it, so it's just the way it looks. And this is like the little wall art that I have going on. This is my desktop where I usually work from, and my printer, I have it in that little rack thing. So on this side, you guys see my little crafting cart, and this is the background that everybody always sees on my videos or in some of my pictures. Like I said, I'm not gonna go really into depth of it because it's pretty much self-explanatory. Like you guys always see this, and if you've seen my makeup collection, you guys know what's in the drawers, so there's like absolutely no need for me to show you that. So since you guys were so curious on what's on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is the curtain that I told you guys that it doesn't even match, but I like, because like I said, it's a blackout curtain, so it's really nice to just block any light coming from out to in and from inside to the outside. And there is another crafting cart. I have a bunch of like just things for school supplies and also things for my Cricut. And this is a little reclining chair that is from my son, and I just keep it here because sometimes you guys will see him in the videos. He's around, so he just plays there. And this is my TV that I have in my room. Excuse the little box on the top, but that's what I deal with to watch, you know, Netflix, or I'm watching any type of show. This is kind of like my Cricut area, so that is why you guys never see this side, because it's like there's no need like to see that, you guys. It's you you know, it's just plain old cricket side. You guys, was the end of my room tour. I don't have much stuff, and I kind of like just to move things around whenever I get bored of how they look. But yeah, this is actually where I film. This is where these videos get done. As you guys can see, you know, this is a typical background that you guys would always see. And I know there's some furniture that might bother anyone, but honestly, I love my room. I love, you know, the space that I have, and it's not so big compared to other like YouTubers rooms or filming areas, I'm sorry, but this is mine and I love it. And like I said, you guys will always see this background unless I decide to use backdrops and stuff like that, which I am gonna get into. I promise you guys. I told you I wanted to give you guys variety, and I don't want to bore you guys with the same old, you know, typical background layout. But I feel like that's a little bit more like relatable, and sometimes you guys will see mess and it's like, this is real life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below what type of videos you guys want to see next, and comment if you guys like anything. If you guys suggest that I do anything to it. I know a lot of people have mentioned, like, I sometimes ask you guys on my Insta stories, what do you guys think of this or that, like certain decorations, and some of you guys like really help me with that. And sometimes a lot of you guys comment that it is a little cluttered back there, but honestly, like, I really love it. I feel like this is, like I said, something that I really like and I feel comfortable with. And yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys what it all actually looks like. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.